When most people think of an age-in-place or accessible shower, they may think of something like a hospital room, which, while it may be safe, it certainly is not either simple or definitely isn't stylish. In this video, I'm going to talk to two shower remodeling experts, and I'm going to chime in with a couple of ideas of my own to talk about how you can achieve not only a safe, age-in-place or accessible shower, but also one that's simple to maintain and, dare I say, stylish. So hope you enjoy these tips and find them practical in helping you design your space or the space for one of your loved ones. If you're doing an age-in-place shower, you really need something that obviously, first and foremost, is safe. So it really depends on the mobility of the person using it. When you're dealing with somebody who's 60 years old or has hip problems, 70 years old, 80 years old, stepping over a 5-inch curb is an accident waiting to happen. The way to make that safer is to get rid of that tall curb. One option can be a low profile shower, which can range anywhere from 1 1/6 inch high up to about 2 3/4 inch high. Or another option, which is a lot simpler, especially if you don't want to mess with the subfloor at all, is to use a beveled edge shower pan where there's a little bit of a mini ramp and then the pan slopes down. Or the last option is to use a one-level wet room system where the shower base or shower pan is at the same level as the bathroom and the entire floor is waterproofed.
If you don't have a huge shower, you can do like a fold-down shower seat. It's going to be compact up against the wall. Then if you need it, you can pull it out and use it. And then if not, if other family members need to shower, they have a full shower range to deal with and just the seats against the wall folded up.
A lot of times people want to go with like a fixed shower head with a handheld shower head that they can switch between, which is a nice option. And then other times people will want to go with a handheld shower head that's on a slide bar, which again, you can keep at the top if you just want to take a regular shower, or you can put lower to the bottom if somebody needs to be wheeled in, or if you do need to sit down at some point. Another option that we have installed a lot that people may not know about is a magnetic option, where you can actually put a magnetic dock other places in the shower. So if one person needs to sit down, instead of having a slide bar where you do have things sticking out of the shower where the fixtures are, you can put the dock on like the back wall near where they're going to sit down, and it just makes it easier for them to just have to turn to the side and grab it versus still having to kind of sit forward and reach up for the bottom of the slide bar.
You can use some grab bars or some grab shelves, they call them, where you can have like a shelf underneath the grab bar. Gives them the stability to be in the shower and also, stability to hold themselves up.
Falls in showers are the #1 place that older people have when they end up in hospitals, is really in their homes, is falling actually in a shower in a bathroom. So you really need to make that place brighter. How can you do it? Well, if you don't have an outside wall, you can use one product you can use is a solar wall tube. That wall tube will come through the roof and actually let a lot of light into the space, actually through the roof and through a tube. Another option, if you do have an outside wall, is to use a transom window. So a transom window is a window that's real tall up on the wall, so you don't have to worry about privacy, but that kind of gets it up in the air. If you have a window that today you have blinds on, let's say, because let's say family members are worried about privacy, another option is a glass block window. The glass block lets the light in, but because of the obscurity of the block, you don't have the issue of somebody to be able to see right in. When you look at a shower, tile showers look great the day that they're put in. However, whatever builder is doing that for you, when they leave, it's your problem to maintain that shower. And usually there's limited warranty. Maybe there's a 1-year warranty, or maybe there's no warranty at all over that shower. A way to get a simpler to maintain shower that also you can get a lifetime guarantee with is to use a product like laminate wall panels. They click and lock together. They have a lifetime guarantee. You can get them in stone looks, tile looks, concrete looks. So you can really get a simple shower, yet a shower that's really elegant. And most people don't even realize, for instance, the panels behind me are actually a laminate wall panel. Most people would think that this is actually a stone tile shower. Any shower products that somebody leaves on the floor, especially any that ooze over, which is a lot of them, can take a slippery environment, which is a shower, and make it a catastrophic event for somebody. How do you get rid of that problem? You don't leave any shower products on the floor. How can you do that? Well, one way is to put in a recessed niche. Those niches go inside of the wall cavity. They're taller, than the shower bottles, so they're going to fit in that space. You can get stainless steel ones that you have no maintenance of. You can get them either standard sizes or even oversized, up to about 58 inches wide or 58 inches tall. So you can really use space that you didn't even know you existed and make it safer. They come in 10 different finishes, so you're not limited to something that's just a chrome finish or a brushed bronze or a brushed brass finish.
Shower niches are really nice. Being able to literally cut into your shower wall and place your shampoo bottles, soap, conditioner, all those kinds of things into the wall gives you a lot more room in the shower because you're not eating up any space. If you don't have that ability or you don't like the look of shower niches, using corner shelves is a nice option as well, because it keeps everything in what is mostly dead space. That's not really an area that you lean into or sit in while you're in the shower. So trying to utilize the corners and the niches in the wall is a really nice option for people who want to try to keep their shampoo, conditioner, soap out of the way when they're trying to shower.
Pre-plan it, you know, put your shower valve where it makes sense to get in the shower. Use like a shower screen so you could open that up and get something in that way. But you know, always just think about pre-planning and putting the hardware or the piping where you need to make it accessible. Let's say for instance, like the waterproof laminate panels, you know, they click and lock together. You could put an accent piece in the middle of the back wall and it's going to look seamless because of the way that it locks together. So that's one option. Or you could do like a full accent wall for the back wall and different options for the side walls, so you don't get that institutional look.
Most people don't pay a lot of attention to the shower base, but if you get a modern low profile base with white marble, black marble, driftwood, matte white, matte black, matte gray, just really a cool look that'll look contemporary. So it doesn't have to look like, you know, grandma lives here. Even if grandma does live here, it doesn't have to look like that.
There are disappearing drains that look really nice. The drain cover actually is the same pattern as the rest of the pan, and so it really minimizes or hides the drain. There are also linear drains as close to the shower head as possible if you don't have the ability to move the fixtures, and there are also linear drains that go more towards the longer edge of the shower pan, which again is a little bit more of a different look, but are nice. If you went with like a glass block shower wall, there is the ability to add colored glass blocks into that wall. When you're building a glass block shower wall, depending on the confines of the shower area, you do have a decent amount of ability to create a mosaic or a different look if you choose.
You can do like a teak bench fold down seat, right? So it gives you the, you know, that appearance, it gives you the functionality of actually being able to use it. You could do grab bars, you could do some recessed niches, just depending on what your aspect is. Your shower head, do a combo shower head. You can have a wand on a sliding bar to make it accessible when you're sitting down versus standing up.
This is Mike Foti, President with Innovate Building Solutions. I want to thank you so much for watching our video about an age-in-place or accessible shower and bathroom. I hope you not only got ideas on how to make it safe, but even more importantly, to make it stylish and simple to use, because why not have it all when you're designing this space? However, I know you may have more questions, and you may want to go to innovatebuildingsolutions.com, go to the section of the site that talks about shower pans, go to the section that talks about wall panels, glass doors, accessories, and even vanities to really learn more on how you can put this all together. And if you want even more background, you can look in the innovatewallpanels.com and get some free samples of the cool patterns that we have of things, or you could try out our bathroom visualizer to really put the entire scene together. And lastly, don't be afraid to call us at 877-668-5888. We'd love to answer your specific questions about your project and really help you to achieve a safe, simple, and stylish age-in-place or accessible bathroom and shower. Thanks so much.